Good day, everyone. So, pupunta tayo sa Excel. Yan. Sunod naman, dito sa column A, type natin grades. Grades. Yan. Sunod. $75. 80. 79. 85. 90. 89. 91. 81. 95, 98. So naman, dito sa column B, type natin names of students. Ashley, Lucas, Benji, Mary Ann, Roan, Desiree, Vanillin, Megan, Casey, Roldan. So, ayan. Sunod naman, shade natin. And click right click, choose, click the format cells, sunod, borderline, lagyan natin, yan, click natin tong mga to, yan, click OK. Sunod naman, addition, perform natin yung paglagay ng formula ng addition. Type addition. Yan. Click equal. Click equals. Click one cells. Click shift plus. Click another cells. Click enter. Yan. Sunod naman, subtraction. Type natin subtraction. Click equals. Click one cells. Click minus. Click one another cells. Click enter. Yan. Sunod, multiplication. Type natin multiplication. Yan. Click natin equals. Click another cell. Click Shift asterisk. Click another one cells. Click Enter. Yan. So naman, type natin division. Division. Yan. Click equals. Click one cells. Click divide. Click another one cells. Click enter. So ayan na. So naman, shade natin. Kung paano natin pagkasunod-sunod itong grades. Simula pababa to pataas. So, i-shade natin. Yan. Click the insert. Click home. Click itong design. Nakasulat sort and filter. Yan. Click sort smallest to largest. Choose continue with the current selection. Click sort. Yan, magkakasunod na. So naman ang name. Yan ulit. Home. Dito sa may design. Itong sign na to. Sunod, sort A to Z. Click continue with the current selection. Click sort. Yan. Sunod naman, click natin. Shade natin to. Click insert. Click 2D pie. Yan, chart pie. Choose yung duty pie. Yan. Sunod naman, click this sign na plus. Yan. Click natin yung data labels. Click natin yung number. Yan. Sunod naman, home. Click the home. Click the bold. Yan. Click color. Choose black color. And then, click the chart title. Type my name. Kayla Chelsea T. Mindaro. Then, this is how we do format MS Excel. That's all. Thank you.